Hey guys, it's Bree the Coupon Queen and welcome back to my channel. So I'm super excited to share this video with you guys. There is a free $30 cash back offer that I am going to share with you. So stay tuned. It is absolutely free. There's no catches or glitches or anything crazy like that, so don't worry about that. If you're not subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you take a second, hit that subscribe button. And if you don't follow me on Instagram or my Facebook page yet, just find me, Bree the Coupon Queen. I post additional offers I find on there, any exciting news, any Ibotta rebates that I'm finding, anything like that, just one-off deals here and there. I will post it in there as well. So I know a lot of you guys saw my most recent post for an amazing deal on trash bags and some cheap items you can get at Walmart, including a moneymaker. So I'm glad that you guys saw that and you're able to take advantage of those. Some of those deals do go pretty quick, so you want to make sure that you're checking that if you're getting the notification that I posted on there. So I have some must-do deals for you for Walgreens next week. Most of them are available online. A couple of them are going to be in-store only, giving you back a register reward. So let's go ahead and dive right into these deals. If you haven't entered my newest giveaway for hitting 8,500 subscribers, the link will be in the description box as well as after the video. It is in my unboxing video of the air purifier. So we got an air purifier and I'm super excited about it. I'm using it right now next to my desk. So in that video, you can enter my newest giveaway. I will be announcing the winner on Sunday in my CVS haul. So stay tuned for that. Make sure you have that notification bell clicked so when I announce the winner, if it is you, you can reach out and let me know so I can get these products in the mail for you. So Irish Spring and Soft Soap, the deal is back at Walgreens. Buy two, get 5,000 points back. So what you're going to do is pick up, one of each, two of each, whatever. The example here is 2 of the Irish Spring body washes. We are getting 75-cent coupons in the 426 inserts. Typically, we get digitals as well. So fingers crossed, then if you buy an insert and use a digital, you are good to go. You're going to pay $8.48, get back 5,000 points. Final cost is $1.75 each. Not the best deal to jump up and down about, but still some great savings from $5 down to $1.75. So that's more than 50% savings. So not a bad deal if you need some body wash. Palmolive, the 20 ounce is on sale $1.99. It is available online. There is a 50-cent digital coupon as well, so anyone can do this deal if you have a Walgreens account. Super easy to sign up. If you don't, you can just download the Walgreens app and do it right on the app. You don't even have to go in store. So final cost will be $1.49. Colgate is buy two, get 5,000 points back. Now, I did post in my Walgreens early ad preview that there is an update for the points. You can only do 1 per transaction. So like I couldn't buy 4 of these Colgates, I won't get back 10,000 points. I would only get back 5,000 points. So that is something new that they're starting next week. So be wary of that. Just make sure you're setting up your transactions properly. Any double deals you're going to do has to be in a separate transaction, whether it's for a register reward or getting points back. That way you'll get your rewards back and you won't have any issues. So for Colgate, what you're going to do is pick up any 2 of the toothbrushes or toothpaste that are included. They'll be $3.99 each. Use $2 off 1 coupons from the 426 Smart Source. There is going to be a digital available as well, so you can use 1 of each. You'll pay $5.98, get back 5,000 points. So final cost is 98 cents for both or 49 cents each, which is a great price point. Anything under $1 for toothpaste and toothbrushes is, to me, a stock-up price for sure. L'Oreal Elvive. There's a lot of good hair care deals going on at CVS. There's some good ones at Walgreens as well. The better deal for L'Oreal Elvive would be at CVS, but we are going to be using this to get that $30 free cash back. So stay tuned for that. I will have that at the end, a scenario, and I will explain exactly how you can get the $30 cash back. So for L'Oreal, they're on sale 2 for $8. There is a 3 off of 2 coupon that we're getting in our 426 inserts. There's also a digital version, so you can just use the digital. And there is a $2 off 2 Walgreens IVC coupon. Remember, we are getting a new Walgreens Book of Savings, so we are getting all new coupons. The digital versions are available as well, so make sure you double check on Sunday and clip those, send them to your card. It'll say $2 off 2 with card. That's how you know that it's the Walgreens coupon. So final cost for these would be $3 for both or $1.50 each. It does track towards Walgreens Beauty as well. Speedstick deodorant, great way to get some super cheap deodorant. This is also a really good donation item. So they're on sale next week, buy one, get one half off, and buy two, get 3,000 points. So you can pick up either the men's or the women's, mix and match, however you guys want to do it. They are $2.99 online, so the half off would be $1.49. Use 2 of the 50-cent coupons from the 426 Smart Source insert. There is going to be a digital available as well. You'll pay $3.48, get back 3,000 points. Final cost is 48 cents for both, or just 24 cents per stick of deodorant. Definitely a great deal. Okay, so it's time for the cash back offer. I'm so excited to share this with you guys, especially with all of us trying to save as much as possible. I know the unemployment rates are just going through the roof right now. I watch the news every single day. That is why I try to bring you guys the best savings on this channel. So we all still need to stock up on food items, personal care items, shampoos, conditioners, things like that. So using Rakuten, you can get $30 cash back right now. You do have to use this link. If you just sign up on Rakuten by yourself, you will not get this $30 cash back. This link is also listed in the description box, so that way you can just click it and it'll bring you right to the Rakuten page. So what it is, when you spend $30 or more online using Rakuten, you'll get $30 cash back. Now it is $30 after coupons. So for example, if you are doing it with Walgreens.com and you're spending $30 and then you have $5 of coupons that come off, well, now you're only at $25. So then it will not work for this cashback offer. So make sure you guys are aware of that. It's also for your first transaction. If you already have Rakuten, if you're already using it, this will also not work for you. This is for new members. So you can even earn extra money back because a lot of stores have a percentage cash back on top of this deal. So for example, Walgreens is 3% cash back. Nike is 12% cash back. So if you buy, one outfit or one outfit, let's be real, that's too expensive at Nike. So say you buy, one top at Nike to work out in and it's $30. You're going to pay the $30. You'd get back 12% of $30, which is $3.60, and you'll get back the $30. So that would make it a $3.60 moneymaker. How exciting, because it is actual cash back that you can transfer to your account. So again, for new members only, there's a ton of different stores available. You don't have to do Walgreens. CVS is available as well. There's just no additional cash back. So what you're going to want to do is click the link in the description box, get signed up. You do have until, I think, like July or something to spend $30 on Rakuten, and then you'll get the $30 cash back. I'm going to probably be doing it with Walgreens. Again, there's a bunch of different stores. So once you sign up, you can click on the different stores they have available, see if something catches your eye, if there's something else that you want to do. This is just a great scenario for you for Walgreens. So here's the spend 30 scenario. Remember, it has to be $30 after coupons, and we do have some digital coupons here. So what you can do is pick up 2 of the Speedstick. They are buy one, get one free, so the total for 2 would be $4.48. 1 of the 20-ounce Palmolives for $1.99. Purex is also buy one, get one free, and online they're showing $3.89, which is crazy. In store, they're $5.99. So not sure what is the reason for that price point difference, but amazing. So you can pick up 2 of the Purex, either the liquids or the packs for $3.89. 2 scent boosters, also included, buy one, get one free, $3.89. 2 of the L'Oreal Elvive for $8, 2 of the soft soap in Irish Spring for $9.98, and 2 of the Colgate, either the toothpaste or the toothbrushes, at $7.98. So your total for all these items is going to be $40.21. These are some of the digital coupons available. There's a $1 Colgate digital, 50-cent Speedstick digital, the 3 off of 2 L'Oreal Elvive digital, the 2 off of 2 Walgreens IVC coupon is available digitally as well, and the 50-cent Palmolive digital. So now your total is down to $33.21 plus taxes. So you're above the $30 threshold. You will get the $30 cash back from Rakuten. So here's the final breakdown. Now, one big thing you want to make sure you're going to Walgreens.com through the Rakuten app. So whether you're doing it on your phone or doing it on a PC, open up Rakuten, log into your account using that link. Then you're going to click over to the Walgreens store, and then it'll open the Walgreens website through Rakuten. So they'll be linked at that point. If you just have it separate, it will not work. So make sure you're doing it this way. And do not pay with points. You do have to pay this cash out of pocket to get the cash back from Rakuten. Once the order goes through, you'll get the $30 cash back and the additional 3% cash back if you do choose Walgreens. Again, Nike is 12%, so you would get the 12% back as well once your order goes through. Then you're going to get back 13,000 points, Walgreens points, from doing the deals in the scenario. So the Colgate deal, the Irish Spring deal, and the Speedstick deal are all going to give you points back. So final cost is going to be completely free because you're getting the cash back, and a $9.79 moneymaker because of all of those reward points you're going to be getting back as well. So that is definitely an amazing, amazing price point. Of course, there's a ton of food options available. There are really cheap food deals that you can do as well at Walgreens. So this would be an amazing way to get $30 worth of food completely free if you need to stock up. If you know anyone who obviously could use a free $30, I don't know who wouldn't. Make sure you guys share this video with them. Give it a big thumbs up for me. I'd love to get this deal out to as many people as possible. I know a ton of people are in need of this right now. I also have a few other deals that I want to share with you. They would be for in store. So Revlon is giving you a register reward back, so that's why it would be in store. Now, this is in the ad right here. It's buy 2, get a $5 register reward, and it says there's $21 in coupon savings online or in the Sunday paper. So we'll have to see which ones become available digitally. That will change our deal a little bit as well. This is one scenario that I put together for you. You can pick up one of the Revlon Quad eyeshadows for $5.19. And you can pick up one of the Candid powders. So use the $3 Revlon face coupon from the 426 Smart Source. I'm sure a digital will become available. Check your accounts Sunday morning and clip. Use a $1 Revlon eye product from the same Smart Source insert. You'll pay $7.88, get back a $5 register reward. Final cost is $2.88 for both, or $1.44 each. They also have this spend 25, get 5,000 points deal. I'm not sure why they made it spend 25. Walgreens always tries to do that because if you even do like 2 Pampers and 1 Tide, typically it's spend 20. But because it's spend 25, there's no way to really get to that price point like right on the money. Obviously, I'm not including the paper products because they're like not available at stores. So I don't want to put together deals that are impossible for you guys to do. So the best scenario I came up with is to buy 1 Tide liquid, 1 Tide Pods, and 2 of the Pampers. So total would be $27.98. There is a 3 off of 2 digital for the Pampers, $2 Tide Pod digital, and a $2 Tide Liquid digital coming available Sunday. You'll pay $20.98, get back 5,000 points, so final cost would be $5.32 each. So, or wait, that's actually not right. Hold on one second. Let's fix that. Your final cost is actually $3.99 each. So not a bad deal there. Not the best, of course. $3.99 for diapers is definitely amazing, but $3.99 for Tide and Tide Liquid is not the best deal because if you just go in store, you can get it for $2.99 with the coupon. So however you want to look at it, still some great savings, especially if you're needing to stock up on some diapers. So those are all of the must-do deals I have for you guys. Super excited to share this video with you. Don't forget to share it. Give the video a big thumbs up for me. If you have any questions or anything, drop a comment below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next time.